How to get 4,000 watch hours. Hello guys, my name is Mr. Kenny, and if this is your first time seeing my video, kindly click on the follow button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be sharing 2 ways you can get your 4,000 watch hours, right? But the second one works like magic, right? It works like magic, and that's what I'm using. I'm using the second one, right? But I will be sharing the 2 ways. I will be sharing 2 ways on how you can be able to get your 4,000 watch hours so that you can monetize your YouTube channel and start earning, right? So let's get down to it. So the first one is long videos, right? Creating long videos. When I say long videos, right, what I mean, I don't mean like 4 minutes video, 3 minutes video and everything. I mean like 8 to 15 minutes video, right? 8 to 15 minutes video. YouTube doesn't care how long your video is, right? All you need to do, what YouTube cares is how many people that watched your videos, right? So you need to create like 8 to 15 minutes long video, or even 20 minutes long video, right? And make sure it's engaging, right, from the beginning to the end, right? Make sure it's, you know, a little bit engaging. Maybe you just have to tell a story. You are a storyteller in your videos, or you solve problems, you know, something that will make people to be stuck in your video, right? To watch it from the beginning to the end. So now the second way you can be able to achieve 4,000 watch hours, right, within 3 to 6 weeks is by live stream. And that's what I'm using right now, right? Live streaming. So you need to go live on YouTube, right? Go live, maybe 1 hour live. You stay on live for 1 hour, right, and do your thing. Maybe it depends on the topic you want to talk on live. Just go live, and you know, so even though people are not watching you on your live stream, right, so after you are done with your live stream, you can still post it as restream, right? You can still post it as restream. That's for people to come and watch it later. You can post your live videos on YouTube, right, so that people can come and watch your live videos, and that views you are getting after the live is still counting, right? On your watch hours, it's still counting. So imagine if you have like 50 active viewers on your live stream, right? And your live stream is like 1 hour video, right? 1 hour after your live stream, you have posted the video, and you have like 50 active watch hours, right? 50 active viewers on your live stream. Do you know how many watch hours it is? 50 watch hours, right? 50 watch hours. So that's to me, that's the best way to get watch hour easily. So right now I'll be showing you my long video and my live video, right? I'll be showing you the two so that you can be able to see how many watch hours I have on my live video and how many watch hours I got on my long videos, right? So let's get down to it. So let's do it. Okay, so right now, if you look closely, you will see that in this video I have like 25,000 views on it. This is live video, right? If you look closely, this is live video, and the video is 54 minutes long, right? 54 minutes long video, right? So, and it's a live video which I reposted, which I have, how many views I have on it? I have 25,000 views on it, right? 25,000 views on it. And the watch hour, I have 5.8 thousand watch hours on the video alone, right? This is a live video that I have posted. When I was creating this video, when I was on live with this video, I have 0 views, like 0 views. All these 25,000 views, right, was after when I reposted it, right? When I reposted it on my channel, right? That was when I get this 25,000 views. But before, when I was creating the video, I have 0 views on it, right? So I have, my watch hour was 5.8k watch hours, right? So let's get down to my long videos. As you can see, let's go to, okay, in this video I have 430 views on this video. This is normal long video. If you can see, 4 minutes video, right? I have 430 views on it, right? And how many watch hours do you see? I have 5 watch hours, 5.3 watch hours on it, right? So this is how it goes. So imagine if I after my live stream, I didn't repost that video, right? That video that got 25,000 views. Imagine if I didn't repost it after my live videos. I just, you know, deleted it and move on. I would even have this 25,000 views on it, or the 5,000 watch hours on it, right? So you need to be reposting your videos after live stream, even though you have 0 views when creating the video, when doing the live video, right? You just need to repost it so that anytime somebody visits your page or come to your channel, it can still he or she can still view your live stream. So you need to repost your live streams, right? So next one, I think I should add these tips, right? Because I've been getting so many comments and so many DMs about this, so I think I should add it to talk about it here. So when you're trying to post your videos on YouTube, right, and you see this option, they ask you this question on your videos. When you're trying to post your videos on YouTube, you need to select not made for kids, right? You need to select not made for kids. Why? So that your engagement, you can reach enough audience, right? Because when you select made for kids, there are this particular audience that will see your videos, right? Your video is meant for kids. Normally the videos that should be meant for kids are these cartoon videos and all these little videos, because kids video has a lot of policy on it, right? Because it will drag down your engagement on your videos, right? So you need to select not made for kids in this particular option, not made for kids, right? Because some of you will go and select made for kids and they will lock your comment section of that video. They will lock it. Once you select made for kids, your comment section is going to be locked, right? So you need to select not made for kids so that you can reach enough engagement. And also this particular option right here, set visibility, you need to select unlisted first when posting your videos, right? Especially if you are monetized already, you need to select unlisted. So while you are selecting unlisted is because you need to wait, like you need to post it unlisted. That's kind of private, right? Unlisted, so that maybe after some minutes or hour, like 30 minutes or in 1 hour time, then you can change it to public, right? So that if you have any violation on that video, by that 30 minutes to 1 hour time, YouTube should have sent you a notification, right? But if you list it, and when you list it as unlisted, it won't affect your channel. If you have a violation on it, you just delete the video and re-edit it or do whatever you want. But if you post it as public, when you have violation in that videos or when you have a copyright on that video, it will automatically affect your channel, right? So first of all, post it as unlisted. Then if you didn't have any violation on it after 30 minutes or 1 hour, then you can post it. You can change the settings to public, right? These are little things you need to do to be able to get the right audience and the visibilities you want on your videos. So I think I will be stopping here for now, right? So in my next video, I'll tell you more tips on how to monetize your YouTube channel, on how to get more views, right? Peace and love.